whatever it was about this race at Hangtown, first lap pileups were massive, and that one right there probably just took Jeremy Martin out of the season. If you watch slowly, you can see he goes over, falls over, whatever, puts his arm down, and you can see it just, somebody runs into the back of it. Looks like it snaps it in half, and you can see him there rolling off on the medical cart. It definitely does not look good, and from what I've seen on Twitter, read, whatever, it says broken wrist, and it's got to suck for him because, you get caught in the first round, in a first corner crash, somebody runs into the back of your arm, you can see people running over him while he's down, bikes on top of you, and you're in pain, or he's got to be in pain already. And I mean, these guys are tough because he's sitting there holding his own arm up, no sling, no nothing like that, with a broken wrist or whatever it ends up being, wrist, arm. Hopefully not broken, but it definitely looks like it should or possibly is. But these guys are tough. I mean, to get up, walk away, and just be able to hold your arm up like that sucks for him. Hopefully he's not injured. Hopefully, if he is, it's minor and he gets to come back sooner rather than later, because you never want to see people, especially in the second round of the season, but you never want to see people get injured at all. So hopefully he does come back, and we'll never know. Kind of sad that, from what I'm reading too, the thing about the metal grates are making everybody way too fast and into the first corner just way too clumped up. I don't know how you want to say it. So in the comments below, you tell me, do you like the metal grates for outdoors? Do you think they should just be straight up dirt starts like it has been forever? Whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.